How to fix Play Store stopped working. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this you have to go to apps. Here you have to search only for Google Play Store. Open it like this and then go to storage and click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. Now the last step or the last things is to go into notifications option, turn off it like this and turn on it like this again, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video guys is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.